Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Relink Bitmaps in 3ds Max. Right, so first up, open up your browser and then just go ahead and find Relink Bitmap. Okay, you can download one from Colin Center or directly from Autodesk. So click on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and click on download right here at the top right. Okay, so the original publisher right here is also the ones I've mentioned earlier. So just click on download. Sign in with your Autodesk account. A download page will pop up. So just click on desktop or save it wherever you want. Click on save. And here we have the installer. So close the browser. Double click on the installer. Install now. And just wait for the process to finish. Now it says here, success, your product has been installed. So click on close, open up 3ds Max. So once it's opened, you're good to go. Now, if the automatic installation doesn't work, well, go ahead and open up your browser once more. Find Relink Bitmap. Click on Colin Centers. Now scroll all the way down, find the versions, download the latest version. Now save it wherever you want. And here we have the MZP. So since it is an MZP file, we can just go ahead and run the script by just going to scripting, run script, go to desktop, Relink Bitmap, open. Now it says here, Relink Bitmap is now installed. Hit on OK, customize user interface, main UI, category, find Colin scripts right here. Select Relink Bitmap and put it right here into your toolbars, okay? Or toolbar section. Maybe this section right here. And here we have it. You can click on it to open it up. And once that's done, you're good to go. And that is how you install Relink Bitmaps in 3ds Max. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.